Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to disable ads in Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser. Now, once you are here, go ahead and select the three lines to the top right corner of the screen. And right after that, you will have here the gear icon or the settings tab. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the shields over here on the left side. And here on the shields, you will have an option, trackers and ads blocking. So you will have your standard. So guys, from here, you will only have three options. You could either disable it or you could go for aggressive. So if you go for aggressive, of course, as much as possible, Brave browser will have the ad block, and pretty much from here, that's all you can do in order for you to disable ads in Brave browser. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.